Ceiling fan. Hold on. Let me clean the camera. Today we have this tat tongue thing. Hold on. Oh, who cares? Just now. It is in good condition. It's a J hook. So that freaks me out because I think that this thing's gonna go flying. The ball one's gonna go flying and chip it or break the globe. I have to be very careful with pulling it because the thing is super close to the stud. Like as you can see, if I were just to push it up. Yep. So yeah, here's the light. Nope, I guess we're starting the fan first. This is low speed. Here's this little good flower design globe. Roses. It's a fan for some grandmas and grandpas. And then we have this, medium speed. I also am going to be demonstrating this thing. I think it's a Aloha Breeze. And then high speed. High speed wobbles a bit. It's pretty close to the stud, actually. That kind of worries me. But yeah, there it is. Bye.